In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TinyTable with Telegram and turn it into a simple but powerful task allocation system. We're not just connecting two tools. We're building a real use case, a task allocator that automatically notifies your team on Telegram whenever a task is updated. Let's start. First, we create a TinyTable. Inside TinyTable, we create a table with 4 columns: task assigned to task description, due date. This table will act as our task management system. Every time a task is created or updated, we want Telegram to notify the assigned person. Now, the next step is creating a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for BotFather. BotFather is the official Telegram page used to create bots. Once you open BotFather, type the command /newbot. BotFather will ask you to choose a name for your bot. Then it will ask for a username. After you provide both, your bot will be created. Once the bot is created, Telegram gives you an API to token. This token is extremely important. Copy this token because we will use it inside TinyCommand. Now let's move to TinyWorkflows. Click on Workflow and on the canvas, change the default trigger and set it to a table trigger. Now configure it. Select the sheet and the table you created earlier. Then choose the event update record. What this means is, whenever a record in the table is updated, the workflow will trigger automatically. Once the trigger is configured, click Continue. Next, add a Telegram bot node. Choose the action Send or Reply a Message. Now add a connection. Here, paste the API token that you copied from BotFather. Click Add Connection. Once connected, click Continue. Now we need to prepare Telegram properly. Go back to Telegram and create a group. If you already have a group, you can use that. Now add your newly created bot to this group. After adding it, make the bot an admin of the group. This is important. Otherwise, the bot will not be able to send messages. Next, we need the chat ID. Open the Telegram group link. In the URL, you will see numbers at the end. Those numbers represent the chat ID. Copy that chat ID and paste it into the Telegram node inside TinyCommand. Now configure the message. You can write something like, "Hello Joe, you have been allocated a new task in marketing. You need to create a videos. Due date is 20th February 2026. Map each of these fields from your TinyTable columns. Once the message is configured, click Continue. Then review and publish the workflow." Let's put it to the test. We'll go back to TinyTable and update record in our table. The moment you update the record, the workflow triggers. Now switch to your Telegram group. You will see a message posted automatically in the group with the exact task details we configured. That's it. With this setup, every time a task is updated in TinyTable, Telegram instantly notifies the team. And this is how you combine TinyTable with Telegram to build a practical task allocation system inside TinyCommand.